Sticks, stones, and empty shells from summer's fun. Bunting boxed up, tents undone. Conkers in pockets and playground bells. Beneath the treetops, fairy tales told. Seeds fly and spilt gold. In the furrowed fields, tells. The hauling's been done. The year's gold rush won. Summer embers fill the lung. Morning mist and cobwebs hung. September's fruit and nut, for feather, fur and hand. Cobnuts and chestnuts homeward bound. Happy feet atop the crumpled ground. 100 million leaves unstrung. Herds gather, wings come and go, and change tunes to the blues sung. A breath of cold air as the days draw down. Clocks turning, slumber etching, feeding up and winding down. Jam jars filled, coughs and sneezes bottled. Apple pop and fizzy pear, and a dozen ways for an apple pudding.